And to news now in Westmoreland, 42-year-old Dacia Forrester, the woman who was set ablaze at the Fesco gas station in Whithorn, Westmoreland, has died. The police confirmed with TVJ News that Forrester succumbed to her injuries at the Cornwall Regional Hospital Friday morning. The woman was set to be airlifted for further treatment and surgery in the U.S., but that was stalled as she needed $55,000 U.S. to travel overseas. The Burnt Foundation of Jamaica had taken on the challenge to raise the funds. Allegations are that Forrester and her sister physically assaulted a pump attendant last month. The altercation turned physical, and Forrester was doused with gas and set on fire. Meanwhile, 30-year-old Colette Swaby, the pump attendant of Old Road in Whithorn, who was charged with assault occasioning grievous bodily harm in relation to the matter, could face additional charges in the wake of Miss Forrester's death. She had been charged after an eyewitness gave a statement implicating her as the person who set Miss Forrester on fire.